If you have Gmail, did you know every single email is currently being read? Not by a human, but by AI. Every single personal email that you send and receive, banking emails or tax return emails, all of your sensitive information is being analyzed by AI. And if you open up the Gmail app either on your iPhone or Android, we can find some ways to detect that it is being read or analyzed by AI. One way that you can tell is if you tap on an email. Let's say I'm just going to tap on this random reminder to replace my HVAC filters. You can see on here, if I tap on the reply button on either my iPhone or my Android, it says, help me write, swipe to the right. Again, on iPhone or Android. Or I can tap on that little pencil icon at the top and it says, help me write, give feedback on this topic. Essentially, the reason why AI is able to help you write it is because they've analyzed that email. And there are other signs that it is currently being analyzed as well. You can go back out of here and see the little Gemini icon at the top right. Tap on it and it says, how can I help you? What can Gemini do in your Gmail? AKA, they've analyzed every single email so that they can help you respond to emails. So some people might find this useful, but other people might never use Gemini in their email, but they're letting it gain access to all of their emails. Another thing you'll notice is if you tap on the three lines at the top left, you can see here it analyzes all your emails and puts them in purchases folders or scheduled. And you might have a bunch of other ones on here. Essentially, this is AI labeling all of those emails for you. And maybe it does a good job or maybe it doesn't do a good job. Now keep in mind on here, it says AI essentially scans all of your content. It has features that are often enabled by default, meaning users automatically opted into AI analysis without explicitly realizing it. So this isn't a feature that you can or you need to opt into. You're automatically opted into and you need to manually opt out of. And you can see this New York Times article, AI has arrived in Gmail. Here's what to know. Google AI assistant Gemini can create to-do lists based on recent emails, etc. There are implications for your privacy. Now, let's turn this off on either your iPhone or your Android. It's super simple. Just open up the Gmail app, or if you're on a computer, go to gmail.com. We're going to scroll down on both of those after tapping on the three lines at the top left, and tap on settings here at the bottom. Now it works a little bit different based on iPhone versus Android. On Android, you're going to tap on your email address right under general settings. However, you're not going to tap on that on an iPhone. You're going to scroll down and tap on data privacy. Again, on Android, let's scroll down from here so we're at the same part. And what you're looking for is Google Workspace Smart Features. Now, this doesn't automatically scream AI is analyzing all your emails because, of course, it is cleverly worded, but tap on Google Workspace Smart Features. On here, you can see Smart Features in Google Workspace. When you turn this setting on, you agree to let Google Workspace use your workspace content, aka all your emails, to personalize your experience across the workspace, including Gmail, Chat, Meet, your Google Drive, and more. I would highly recommend turning this feature off, but that is not the only thing you need to turn off. You also need to scroll down and go to Smart Features. It says, when you turn this setting on, you agree to let Google use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience in other Google products, like restaurant reservations, suggested tickets or loyalty cards, or even your passes in your wallet, answers, etc. Again, I would recommend turning this feature off to prevent Gemini, aka AI, from analyzing every single email. On your iPhone, also scroll back here and turn off Smart Features. Make sure that is toggled off. Oh, tap on that. And then on your Android phone, again, uncheck Smart Features to go back to how Gmail used to be so that they weren't analyzing all your emails. Now, if you like this video and it helped you, I would highly encourage you to share it with another person. Maybe like this video and leave a comment down below. That tells the YouTube algorithm that you really enjoy my content and to share it with other people just like you. Thanks, guys.